Again, another quick tech tip for 3D printing. When it comes to your spool holders, most of them come from the factory. They'll have a spool holder mounted kind of like this on top, or it'll be on the side, or so on. Unless it's a large Delta printer like this big mother right here that holds a lot of weight, this doesn't matter as much. But on a Cartesian printer, this matters a lot. Because if you don't think it does, grab you a spool, hold it in your hands, and kind of wave it back and forth. That weight is sitting on top of the machine, shaking with the printer as it goes back and forth, and that's where you get your bad artifacts. Got to get it off your printer, one way or another, to get your cleanest print. I hang mine with a spool holder for my spool holder shelves. That way it's easy to change, it's right here, and it's off the printer. That way, the less weight and movement you get on the printer, the cleaner your print will be.